Good evening, parents. Thank you for taking the time to tune in and watch the open house PowerPoint for the Humanities Research class, 7th grade. I am Mr. Donohue, and welcome. Our concept, I'm really excited about this class. I spent a lot of time thinking about it over the summer and what we could do with the students this year. And I decided to have this bigger theme this year of exploring our lives and the world. And our big mission is to teach the students proper ethical researching techniques. And in doing so, I wanted the students to really explore who they are and how they got here. And we're doing that through hands-on student-centered learning. And it is all going to be a project-based learning experience. To give you an example, our first project that we're working on now is I had the students, and I'm having the students explore their heritage and where their people come from. So in doing so, they're exploring the Celtic people, the Slavic people, the Indian people, the Italian people. And in exploring that, we want to look at how those people spent their free time, and in particular, the games that those people played. So in exploring the games, we wanted to find out and figure out how those games that they played were played, who played them, what did a day look like when those games were played, to really get a sense of how people lived their lives way back when. And once the students are done putting together their research projects and sharing them with each other, we're going to go out and attempt to try and play these games to try and connect back how it was way back then. Now, some of those games were violent and bloody, like gladiatorial combat. And I don't want you to, don't worry, we're not going to engage in any gladiator games. It's all going to be safe and fun. The writing that we do in this class is going to be a workshop model class. So what that means is all of the writing that the students do this year is going to be shared with each other in an effort to improve the writing. We do a lot this year, and we do this so that we can all improve as writers in the room. I found it to be an incredibly fruitful exercise and an incredibly successful exercise as well. My Google Classroom is what we use to share. We use it to do all of the work in the classroom. My join code is here on the screen. I would encourage you to join our Google Classroom if you'd like to follow along to see what we're doing. In addition to the Google Classroom, on that Google Classroom page is our Google Meet link. This is going to be used for any student who has to quarantine this year for any reason. That way they can still join the class when they're at home. There is a Google Meet link right on that page. They're home for whatever reason for a quarantine situation. They can just click right on the link. I'll have the video camera open and they can continue to join us while they're home. All of the work that we're going to be doing is going to be done in class. There is going to be rarely, if any, homework done at home. We meet every other day. Sometimes this work is going to be slow. Due dates are going to be long-term, and we're going to work together to meet these deadlines and expectations for the year. Here's my email. Please feel free to email me any concerns, questions. If you think there's anything at all that I need to know, don't hesitate to reach out. If you, for whatever reason, can't find this email address, it is on the district homepage as well. Sometimes we do have some trouble finding phones in the school. I would prefer email communication. Shoot me an email. Let me know you'd like to have a conversation. I will do everything I can to call you back. Folks, I hope you all have a great year. I hope everything is well with you, and I look forward to seeing you and meeting you all soon. Take care.